Today in America, it is still a worthy venture to run your own company and become a part of the American entrepreneurial industry. In fact, according to recent statistics, as much as 63% of 20-somethings want to start their own business, and with the right foundation and recipe, they can achieve that dream. One area seeing notable growth in startup companies is the event planning industry.
The balloon market has 3 different areas of happiness that we deliver. One on the personal and the family side, going from first birthdays to confirmations to their graduations, growing up through life. The other part, you have schools which go into your back to school, your graduations, your open houses. You have your public events of grand openings. You have public agencies that will do grand openings and product launches for, which is a growing industry that just rebounds every year with more and more and more. I've streamlined this to make it franchisable and to be able to move this forward with other cities and other states.
Becoming a franchisee in the balloon decor business opens the doors for freedom while working under a proven model for success.
In 2011, I was very interested in opening up a balloon store. It was a commoditized item, but not an organized industry. What I did was I took my history of growing up in the family business of the mom and pop style feel with the megastore mentality and the instant online gratification of getting same-day deliveries, and built this around those 3 key aspects to where now customers can either come into the store or they can order online. Our product is balloons, but our specialty is our customer service. As a franchisor, we will go through a candidate and assist them. If we find the right fit, we will go through the process of your site selection. We will then have you into the store for about 7 to 10 days to teach you on how to do balloons, and then going into the production portion of it, how to order. Then the other half of those 7 to 10 days is with the back of house, learning how to use the online ordering, how to use the suppliers and the setup, and be able to get your materials. And on special projects, which are needed sometimes, we have diagrams and information on how to build those. We assist you the entire way.
I train people who come to the store, new people who work. I show them the courtesy to have, because most stores, they have attitudes and they don't help or anything. So if we blow up your order, we'll walk it outside, we'll bring it upstairs for you and hand it to you, so you don't have to struggle getting up the stairs or anything. We call every customer lady or sir to give it the kingdom feeling. And for the new people, I teach them how to curl the balloons. We have different curls for different types of balloons. I show them how to make arrangements. I basically give them the run of everything.
Franchisees have a multitude of benefits when working with a proven business methodology and model, all while working in a successful and booming industry that brings joy to people's lives around the globe. At Balloon Kings, everyone is royalty. Located in New York City, we strive to make our franchisees, our staff, and our customers feel like kings and queens.
The franchisor, myself, throws out the carpet for any of its franchisees is because that is then played down to the franchisees, who then have to roll out the red carpet for all of their customers. You are in a milestone business of events and happiness. The customer who comes in, they need to feel like they are the king or queen of their household, and when they go home, they are treated as such because you're making that moment special for them.
As a customer, you're able to place your order online, on the phone. You can even walk in and have your custom arrangement made. If you want something special, you can bring us a picture and we'll have it done here for you. We can give you some ideas if you're looking for that.
We have more than 77 different latex color balloons. We have around 5 different sizes. We like to do really cool displays with it. We always help our customers and we advise them how to put together a cool arrangement using all these different type of balloons. At Balloon Kings, we value customer service and we really care about our customers.
The legacy of Balloon Kings is a mom and pop style store with megastore mentality that customers come into every day. I am hoping that as one new franchisee comes along and brings it into his family, that they then can bring it down through their family and continue the happiness.
To learn more about Balloon Kings, visit us online at balloon-kings.com. Or to get more information about becoming a franchisee, visit us online at balloonkingsfranchise.com or call the number on your screen.